guys, Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about what to do when you're lacking motivation. So I'm going to be doing something a little bit different in this video. I'm not going to be throwing motivational quotes at you guys in hopes that you become inspired and motivated. I'm going to hopefully help you understand a little bit more about motivation so that way you can apply it in your daily life. But before I get into it, I just want to tell you guys, if you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. Okay, so the first thing that I want to talk about when it comes to finding motivation when you're lacking it is you need to embrace life with full presence and power. So what does that mean? If you ever walk down the street and you look around, how many people do you see walking around looking down, paying attention to what they have in their hand? They're distracted by what's going on Instagram, on Facebook. They're focused on how many likes they have, who replied to their comments, or whatever the case may be. Those people are detached from the present moment. You need to meet life with full presence and power. So you need to focus on the here and now. Don't be distracted by what's going on social media, because all that is detaching you from reality, the moment in here and now, because that's the moment that we live in, is the here and now. The second thing that I want to be talking about is personal freedom. So when it comes to personal freedom, you need to live life on your own terms. Whatever your goals are, you need to focus on that, and you need to live life on your own terms. If it doesn't serve your purpose, don't even bother wasting your time with it, because you're not going to be motivated if it's something that you really don't want to do. So personal freedom is about standing on our own, protecting our ideas and our integrity. It's all about serving a mission that we've chosen. So whatever your mission in life, whether you're trying to be a doctor, a singer, an artist, whatever you chose as your mission in life, you need to follow that and pursue that in order to be, and that's going to lead you to be motivated. If you're following something that you're really unsatisfied doing, you're not going to find motivation in doing it. So when it comes to motivation, you need to focus on the root of motivation. So which is the motive for doing something. So what's the reason why you're doing something? If you're really trying to do something that you're passionate about, you know what the motive is for doing it. If we have a strong list of actions and conditioned impulses to support our freedoms, then we're going to move towards our goals. We're going to be determined to accomplish the goal that we're trying to achieve in our life, whatever the case may be for you. When looking for motivation, don't focus on the cost or the journey. Just focus on the destination that you want to be at when it comes to your personal goal. So if your goal is to become a doctor, don't look at the 8 years or the 4 years or whatever the case may be that it's going to take for you to go through medical school. Just focus on the destination where you want to be at, being a doctor. Just visualize your end goal in mind, and don't worry about what it's going to cost or the journey or the hard times that you're going to have to go through. Just focus on the destination. And if you're lacking motivation, the key thing to focus on is you need to be the director of your own life. So I want you guys to picture the director of a movie. So what does the director do? They learn to call the shots. They learn to focus the camera on the scenes that they want to film. So think about that for a minute. If you're the director of your own life, you need to focus on the scenes that you want to film in your life. But besides being the director in your life, you also need to decide what kind of character you're going to play in your life. Are you going to be the hero, the underdog, the guy who just can't catch a break, the bad guy? That's for you to decide. You also need to be the guardian of your mind, body, and soul. So what does that mean? You need to protect yourself from contaminants, whether it be negative thoughts, other people's doubts that they put on you, fears, bad habits that are gonna just hold you back. So you need to monitor the thoughts that you have going on in your head, the people that you have around you. Are they negative influences? You need to surround yourself with positive people who are gonna uplift you and also that are on the same path as you are. That's how you're gonna find motivation. And if you guys think I'm just making this stuff up or I'm just pulling this out of the air, then I recommend that you guys check out this book where I got this information from. It's called The Motivation Manifesto by Brendon Burchard. It's 9 declarations to claim your personal power. This is a very powerful book, and if you guys are looking for further motivation and understanding when it comes to motivation, then I recommend that you guys check out this book. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below if you guys are interested. I hope you guys got value out of this video, and that's pretty much all that I have for today. And like I said, if you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification, because I'm going to have a lot more content coming out in the future. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.